A new clinic in North Jackson steps in to meet demand for occupational health services following the closure of Stewart urgent care centers. Meanwhile, local beekeepers work to educate the next generation and protect pollinators at the Canfield Fair and beyond. Those stories and more on today's Daily Buzz.
The Daily Buzz is brought to you by 717 Credit Union.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. At the Canfield Fair each year, children gather around a glass-enclosed hive watching honeybees at work. It's a popular display and for some, a life-changing one. Naturalist Julie Bartolone became interested in beekeeping after seeing a similar observation hive while working at Mill Creek Metro Parks. She began learning from longtime beekeeper Don Kovach, who maintains the fair's bee exhibit and serves as treasurer of the Columbiana and Mahoning County Beekeepers Association. That group is responsible for much of the bee education efforts in the region. The association not only sets up the Canfield Fair exhibit, but also provides mentoring and resources to new beekeepers. Beekeeping in Mahoning and Columbiana counties remains active, with each county supporting roughly 200 colonies at 100 locations. While the number of commercial operations has declined, hobbyist beekeeping is growing. Many hobbyists are as skilled as professionals, thanks in part to mentoring efforts by veteran beekeepers. Ohio's honey production reflects broader national trends. In 2024, Ohio producers with 5 or more colonies harvested 1.25 million pounds of honey, down 4% from 2023. The average yield was 57 pounds per colony. Despite the decline, the average price per pound increased to $6.08, bringing the total production value to $7.62 million. You can read the full story in the mid-June issue of the Business Journal out this week. Click the subscribe tab to get your copy today. As Stewart Healthcare, now known as Insight, closed its urgent care and occupational health offices across the Mahoning Valley, concerns grew over a potential gap in services for local patients and employers. Among those concerned was Dr. Supreet Dhaliwal, the former medical director of Stewart's urgent care and WorkMed programs. In response, Salem Regional Medical Center quickly stepped in to fill the void. The health system worked with Dhaliwal to convert a building it owns on Mahoning Avenue in North Jackson into a new occupational health clinic. The facility opened less than 2 months after Stewart's final closure. The new facility, named SRMC Occupational Health, began seeing patients during the second week of May. It offers workplace-related medical services such as injury treatment, employee physicals, drug testing, and other health screenings. And at the Business Journal's Next Generation Leadership Forum, Jennifer Pintar, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs at Youngstown State University, emphasized trust, competence, and care as essential leadership qualities. In her presentation, Pintar highlighted authentic communication, particularly listening, as a foundational skill for earning trust.
And what you learn in mindful listening is that part where people are quiet, or they talk, and then they pause. People get very uncomfortable in that silence. And if you stay quiet with them, that's called stuck in the muck. The person's stuck in the muck. Something's going to happen. They're going to want to fill that silence too, because nobody likes that. It's kind of awkward with that silence. So when you're quiet for just long enough, their truth is going to come out. And if they're not ready to share their truth at that moment, at least they feel respected by you, because that quiet tells the person that you're communicating with, I believe in you. I know you're going to get through this, and I know you can pull yourself through this.
You can hear more in the 3 Minutes with video at businessjournaldaily.com. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Savings power to give your business an extra boost. Business savings, certificates, and business money market. 717 Credit Union. Make your money work as hard as you do. Check out our business money market and CD rates at 717cu.com/rates.